This is Common, and today I'll be showing you about World Conquer 3 modding. Today's first part, just the introductions, what would you need and all the other stuff. First, you need APK. The links will be in the description. And if you want to test it, I'll use like a Nox emulator, since you have root access and you can do some other stuff with it. So after we make the APK like this, we want to open it. Open this file, which is ALTV. Now you have all the files here. Go to Assets. Now here is everything a modder will use. Audio, if you want to change the music. This file, dialogue, motion. This is for the units. In case you want to add new units to the game, like replace a model, you have to change the files in here. Effects of the stuff. It's just reading the file of it. Fonts, images. First is the heads, all the generals in the game. So like this guy. Clark, and some other ones. Photos just for the campaign. Like example in the first mission for the axes. Let me show you an example. I'll show a picture like this. So now let's take a look at the other ones. These are for the conquest for A and B. And great. You gotta be kidding me. Well, what that fixes, let's just open it again. Like for these conquests it shows, the picture is like 1001, it will show like the small picture on the side. Better. These are like the promote ones, the medal rankings. Here's where the files you need to use. If you want to like add a country to the game, you had to add in a few picture into 2 files and some other ones. Like if you want to add a file like onto here, you can't open with your picture editor. We'll get to that one shortly after. I'll show you. Since it's this format, we can just use an online converter, put it to PNG, and use these 2 files. If you want to add a country, same with image flags. Since that's already in the PNG, you're fine. These files are just are the main source of code for the game. All these ones, like here, this one is like the army stats. If you want to change it, increase health, lower the stats. Buildings, challenges, your HQ settings, country settings. If you plan a new country, you have to add in there too. Trade task, all these ones. All the BTO files are part of the game conquests, challenges, and campaign. Layouts. These files are important if you do some advanced mod. You can like change the main menu a little bit, change where the button shows up. Here's the pictures of the units. Like we'll go to this one, which is the alien ones. In tools, I will use. Sometimes if you use these files right here, let me go here. Sometimes if you use regular notepad to edit these, it will mess up the coding. Sometimes if you use notepad++, but it will show up in this format. What I always do, I just use the Google Chrome editor here, json. It just makes it easier like this. And it will save it no matter what. To edit the pictures, I use Gimp. And sometimes you can use some other ones too, but Gimp is always helpful. Is always useful. See? Let it load. And every APK will be different between English and Chinese. It will be defined right here. CN is Chinese, EN should be English. So if you open that, it'll be all like this. See how if you can make the format like this, you can use your notepad and make it more easier. Another thing I'll show you for modding. You can either do anything you want. Control your allies, and a lot of stuff. Conquest, new countries. I'll show you an example in my mod. Let's go to it. For example, I'll show you one mission I'm right now working on. Oh, it's not. Oh yeah, I didn't add it yet. As you see, in this one, I changed to control my whole allies' invasion of Poland. And what you see is new is a plane. So now you can build planes, but you have to get the right. You have to get one file, change that field, which is easy. As you see right here. Another example. Wait, does this one still work? Huh. There. This one just still in the works, so not worry about that one. Conquest, I'll show you more. In 1939, with the South American countries, Asian countries in Asia, like in Hearts and Iron 4. French have a force here. Morocco. Even managed to do some changes here. Add Vichy France, Vru France up here. And a big difference. Take a look at with 1960, with 1962. Still a lot of work to be done. And 1991, a sneak peek. Mostly what we left for the Cold Wars is the unit models and some more countries around. And the African countries would join the fight. Big difference 1944 and 45 will be added. As will be a big difference than the other ones. Map looks like from the Allies axis, but I did some few changes, more units around it. Like for 1945, I changed some countries' names around, still have to finish the rest. Socialist Republic of Romania, some lot of flags will be different. Part 2 will be, the second part will be talking about how to working with the JSON files, how to unlock all the errors. Have a good day.